Tyres provide their maximum level of grip when heated to within a certain temperature range. Finding out if your rubber is getting up to temperature, heating up evenly, or overheating due to lockups, misbalanced brakes, tyre pressures, or poor setup is therefore a massive advantage. By using our infrared tyre temperature monitoring kit, you can easily see how your tyres accumulate and dissipate heat during a lap, giving you a clear picture of what is happening. The system is easy to set up, with 4 infrared sensors positioned directly opposite each tyre to ensure the full width of the rubber is monitored. Each sensor can measure up to 16 temperature surface points, ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. When the sensors are in place, just plug the LEMO connector from the wiring loom into the port marked CAN serial on your VBOX HD2 box. A preset tyre temperature monitoring scene can then be downloaded from the VBOX website and uploaded to your HD2 system via the SD card. When analysing your video-enhanced data, you will be able to see how heat is transferred during periods of braking, cornering and acceleration, allowing you to optimise your car setup for the race.